Bears are known for their ability to undergo long periods of hibernation during winter months when food is scarce. During hibernation, their heart rate slows down, and they do not eat, drink, urinate, or defecate. They rely on stored body fat for energy during this time. Bears have an exceptional sense of smell, which is estimated to be 7 times stronger than that of a bloodhound. This acute sense of smell helps them locate food, detect predators, and navigate their environment. Despite their large size, bears are proficient swimmers and are often found near bodies of water. They use their strong limbs and buoyant bodies to swim long distances in search of food or to cool off during hot weather. Bears are generally solitary animals, with each individual having its own territory that it defends against intruders, especially during the breeding season or when food is scarce. They are incredibly strong animals, capable of exerting tremendous force with their large muscles and powerful limbs. They use their strength for activities such as digging, climbing, and breaking open tree trunks or beehives to access food. While bears are not known for vocalizations, they communicate with each other through body language, such as posturing, vocalizations like growls or roars, and scent marking. Bears are omnivores, meaning they eat both plants and animals. Their diet can vary depending on the species and the availability of food in their habitat. They may consume berries, nuts, fish, insects, small mammals, and occasionally larger prey such as deer or moose. Female bears exhibit strong maternal instincts and invest a significant amount of time and energy in raising their cubs. Cubs typically stay with their mother for 1 to 3 years, during which they learn essential survival skills such as foraging and avoiding predators. Bears engage in play behavior, especially when they are young. Bear cubs can often be seen wrestling, climbing trees, and exploring their surroundings as they learn essential skills for survival. Play also helps young bears develop coordination, strength, and social bonds with siblings.